Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove pimple from your photos on Snapseed. If you're new to Snapseed and you don't know how to remove the pimples from your photos, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Snapseed app on your phone. Now click on the plus icon to add the photo that you want to edit. Now, to remove the pimples from your face, simply click on Tools and select the Healing option. Now zoom in to the pimple area and brush over. And once you're happy, click here to save changes. And furthermore, to enhance your skin, click on Tools and select the Portrait option. If we click here, you can see the skin smoothing option. Click on it and increase it all the way up. And once you're happy, click here to save changes. And just like that, we can remove pimples from your photo on Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.